50 beautiful full flower moon baby names. 1. Alyssa, sweet alyssum flower, symbolizing beauty. 2. Amaryllis, to sparkle, like the vibrant amaryllis flower. 3. Anemone, windflower, symbolizing anticipation. 4. Azalea, colorful flowering shrub, symbolizing passion. 5. Betony, white flower, symbolizing healing. 6. Blossom, to bloom, representing new beginnings. 7. Bluebell, delicate flower with divine scent. 8. Camellia, evergreen shrub with lovely blooms. 9. Canna, tall, reed-like flower with red blooms. 10. Cassia, yellow blooms of the golden shower tree. 11. Chamomile, earth apple, resembling daisies. 12. Clematis, climbing plant with star-shaped flowers. 13. Clover, three-leaf flower, symbolizing luck. 14. Columbine, dove-like spring flower. 15. Corymbia, pretty red flowers, uncommon name. 16. Cynthia, moon goddess, linked to yellow flowers. 17. Daffodil, bright yellow flower, symbolizing renewal. 18. Dahlia, elegant flower, symbolizing dignity. 19. Daisy, fresh and innocent, meaning day's eye. 20. Erica, heather-like shrub with bell-shaped flowers. 21. Evanthe, blooming, symbolizing growth. 22. Fern, timeless plant name, symbolizing sincerity. 23. Fleur, flower in French, symbolizing purity. 24. Flora, Roman goddess of spring and flowers. 25. Freesia, symbolizing trust and purity. 26. Fuchsia, unique hanging flower, vibrant pink. 27. Harmony, dwarf iris, symbolizing unity. 28. Heather, flowering shrub, symbolizing admiration. 29. Hyacinth, fragrant flower, symbolizing forgiveness. 30. Iris, delicate white flower, symbolizing wisdom. 31. Jasmine, fragrant flower, symbolizing love. 32. Kalina, viburnum shrub with white flowers. 33. Laurel, laurel tree, symbolizing victory. 34. Lilac, fragrant spring flower, symbolizing renewal. 35. Lily, pure and beautiful, from Latin lilium. 36. Lupin, vibrant, wolf-like flower. 37. Magnolia, southern flower, symbolizing dignity. 38. Marigold, bright flower, symbolizing warmth. 39. Marilla, short for amaryllis, meaning to sparkle. 40. Meadow, grassland, symbolizing nature. 41. Peony, healing flower, named after a Greek god. 42. Poppy, vivid red flower, symbolizing remembrance. 43. Primrose, first rose, symbolizing youth. 44. Rose, classic flower, symbolizing love. 45. Sage, herb with soft leaves, symbolizing wisdom. 46. Sakura, cherry blossom, symbolizing beauty. 47. Violet, delicate purple flower, symbolizing modesty. 48. Willow, graceful tree, symbolizing resilience. 49. Zinnia, colorful flower, symbolizing endurance. 50. Chloe, blooming or fertility, linked to greenery. Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. Comment your favorite name, don't forget to subscribe.